Today I'll show you how you can easily send invites to your students to join your virtual classroom on Google Classroom. Now the first process is very easy and it is ideal to conduct this process when you are using your G Suite ID. So for that, I'll head over to the Classroom app on my phone and I'll click on it. And once it opens, I'll click on the newly created classroom right on top. And after I do that, I will click on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen like this, and I'll be displayed with an info page where towards the end you will see a general tab. You see the class code mentioned right there. You can easily share this class code with your students and they can join your classroom through this. The next process would be ideal if you are using Google Classrooms using your personal IDs and you want to curb the unsolicited entry into your classroom. So for that, I will head over to the Google Classroom app on my phone. I'll click on it. And once the home page opens, I'll click on the newly created classroom right on top. And after I click on the classroom, I will head over to the People tab on the bottom right corner of the page. When I click on the People tab, this screen will appear which will show the teachers and the students section separately. Right beside where the students word is written on the right corner, you will see an icon with a plus sign on top of it. You need to click on it. And you will be prompted with a space where you will be able to type in the email ID. So I have created a test email ID to show you the procedure. So I'm typing in that test email ID over here. And this is actually helpful when you don't want just anybody to enter your classroom. Now G Suite IDs don't permit that, but when we are using our personal email IDs, we need to be a bit more careful. So when I have used my personal ID to create such classes, I have always followed this method. It is a bit tedious, I know. Entering the IDs of so many students is a task, but then this will ensure the safety of your account when you are using a personal ID. So when you enter the entire email ID, you will see a drop down menu like this one, which will display your email ID that you typed. You need to click on the drop down option that has appeared on the screen, like which shows add recipient over here. You need to click on it. Once you click on it, you need to click on the invite option on the top right corner of the screen. I have slowed down this video deliberately to make it easier for you to understand. And once you click on the invite option, your invite will be sent to the respective email ID that is there, okay, that you have invited. So these are the two ways in which you can add or invite students to your virtual classroom. And once the students have accepted the link and accepted the invite request, I'll open the classroom and you see one student is being displayed on the home page already. And if I click on the People tab, I will see that the student has been added.